Just joining us, you're watching TVC News. Well, let's turn our attention to the federal government, which says will continue to invest in health facilities and prioritize the welfare and well-being of Nigerians. The Minister of State for Health and Social Welfare, Ishiaq Salako, said this during his visit to the federal health facilities in Ogun State. Senior reporter Kazim Olowe reports.
The federal government has prioritized human resources for health and ensured that the country's health sector gets desired attention to be able to provide necessary healthcare services for the citizens. The Minister of State for Health and Social Welfare, Ishiaq Salako, made this known during his visit to the federal institutions in Ogun State. He started his visit at the Neuropsychiatric Hospital Aro Abeokuta, where he was received by the Medical Director Afis Agbola and his team. They appreciate the support of the federal government and took him on tour of some ongoing projects and facilities that required attention at the main facility at Aro and the annex at Lantoro area of Abeokuta. The minister says the president is committed to improving the healthcare sector in the country.
I also want Nigerians to know that in terms of priority, the federal government under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has put a very, very high priority on healthcare delivery. And that is why in the last two budgets that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu superintended over, you see a gradual increment in the amount of budget or fund that is appropriated for the health sector. You will see the president coming out to extend the number of years that health workers, clinical health workers, can spend in service.
At the Federal Medical Center at Abeokuta, the minister was accompanied by the Commissioner for Health in Ogun State, Tomi Koka, and was received by the board chairman, Dayo Israel, and the Chief Medical Director, Musa Olomu. He was conducted around the facility. He later met the staff of the hospital for an interactive session and assured them of the readiness of the federal government to facilitate development in the health facility.
You will see the president approving waivers for us to be able to engage health workers much more quickly. So all this is a demonstration of the high priority that Mr. President has given to the healthcare sector.
High points of the event include appreciation of the minister by the Association of Resident Doctors at the Federal Medical Center Abeokuta.
The minister says President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has a lot to offer Nigerians, especially in the area of healthcare development through his renewed hope agenda, and he called for collaboration. Kazim Olowe, TVC News, Abeokuta.